Hello, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Burdick. I'm going to read 2 Pete the Cat books for you. We're going to start with Pete the Cat, Rockin' in My School Shoes. It is written by Eric Litwin, aka Mr. Eric, and it is illustrated by James Dean. Cat City School Bus. And here's our title page. Here comes Pete, strolling down the street, rocking red shoes on his 4 furry feet. Pete is going to school, and he sings this song. I'm rockin' in my school shoes. I'm rockin' in my school shoes. I'm rockin' in my school shoes. Pete is sitting at his desk when his teacher says, "Come on, Pete, down that hall to a room with books on every wall." Where is Pete going? The library. Pete has never been to the library before. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He finds his favorite book and sings his song. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. I'm reading in my school shoes. Check out Pete. He's ready to eat in a big noisy room with tables and seats. Where is Pete? The lunchroom. It can be loud and busy in the lunchroom. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He sits down with his friends and sings his song. I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. I'm eating in my school shoes. Pete and his friends are playing outside on a green grassy field with swings and tall slides. Where is Pete? The playground. Kids are running in every direction. Does Pete worry? Goodness, no. He slides and swings and sings his song. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes. All day long, Pete sings his song. I'm singing in my school shoes. I'm painting in my school shoes. I'm adding in my school shoes. I'm writing in my school shoes. When school is done, Pete rides the bus home. Pete's mom asks him, "What did you do at school today?" And Pete says, "I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. And I will do it again tomorrow. Because it's all good." And there's that bus again. And that was Pete the Cat, rocking in my school shoes. And then the next Pete the Cat we're going to read is Pete the Cat, The Wheels on the Bus, based on the creation of James Dean. So, I am sure you've heard the Wheels on the Bus song before, and if you have, I hope you'll sing it with me. Here's our title page. And look, there's Pete's driver's license. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. bus go round and round all day long. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep all day long. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, swish, swish all day long. The signals on the bus go blink, 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 blink. The signals on the bus go blink, blink, blink all day long. The motor on the bus goes zoom, 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 zoom. The motor on the bus goes zoom, zoom, zoom all day long. The door on the bus goes open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The door on the bus goes open and shut all day long. The kiddies on the bus say, come on, Pete, come on, Pete, come on, Pete. The kiddies on the bus say, come on, Pete, all day long. The driver on the bus says, move on back, move on back, move on back. The driver on the bus says, move on back all day long. Pete's friends on the bus say, sit with us, sit with us, sit with us. Pete's friends on the bus say, sit with us all day long. The back of the bus bumps up and down, up and down, up and down. The back of the bus bumps up and down all day long. The kiddies on the bus go, Pete the cat, Pete the cat, Pete the cat. The kiddies on the bus go, Pete the cat all day long. The dog on the bus goes, woof, 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 woof. Woof, woof, woof. The dog on the bus goes woof, woof, woof all day long. The cats on the bus shout, let's rock out, let's rock out, let's rock out. The cats on the bus shout, let's rock out all day long. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round all day long, all day long, all day long. Pete the cat, the wheels on the bus.